So Gabby also talked about creating a life by design and how to intentionally, focus on this life by design. Doesn't happen by accident, takes focus. I feel like you've mastered that art. I mean, better than almost anybody. Creating a life that's so efficient, you're hitting your goals that you want to reach, but also the importance of great rhythm with your wife. How do you create a life by design?
We have an exercise we do with all of our patients. I've done with myself since 1986 when I created the exercise called the one-page miracle. On one piece of paper, write down what you want and do it in a very specific way. What do I want in my relationships, my work, my money, my physical, emotional, spiritual health? What do I want? Write it out. I do it with virtually all of my patients.
Smart.
And then you just ask yourself every day, my behavior getting me what I want?
Totally.
And it's like, oh, well, isn't that selfish? It's like, no, I want great things. Like with my wife, I want a kind, caring, loving, supportive, passionate relationship. I always want that.
Yeah.
I don't always feel like that. Rude thoughts just show up, but I don't say them most of the time because they don't help.
Totally.
Right? And if you just develop clarity, right? Every great business, they have a mission statement and a vision, and they have quarterly goals. But people don't do that for their own lives. It's like, what do you want in all the departments, right? Relationship. And I do it very specifically so that you're balanced. People who work all the time become unbalanced and they get divorced.
Yeah.
Right? That make me unhappy.
Yeah.
Right? So I start with relationships and go to work because that's really important to me, and money, so because that's independence, and physically, emotionally, spiritually, right? You just like check off all of them. And am I being successful in a balanced way? Because I could have all the money in the world, but if Tana left me, I'd be so sad.
Totally. Yeah.
I don't want to be sad.
No.
Right? But I'm 100% responsible for how my life turns out.
Right.
And responsible doesn't mean, oh, it's your fault. No, it's just my ability to respond. Can I act in ways consistently, predictably with what I want? And I want good things.
Yeah. Yeah. And I mean, it's just exactly what you're talking about. If you don't check each of those boxes and see how they're doing is, tank filled on each one of those, it can get out of whack quick. And I know we see it a lot. So I love that. The one-page miracle.